Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy today that it has been 1 year that you have been working really hard in acute medical unit. The day we started, it was the concept to expedite the care of all acutely ill patients. And I think to a greater extent we have succeeded in achieving that goal. You saw the length of stay in the before starting the acute medical unit and after starting the acute medical unit. So things are heading in the right direction. Initially there were some problems in terms of compliance with ward rounds and subspecialty input, but that to a greater extent has been improved as well. So I'm really thankful to all the faculty in GIM, in General Internal Medicine, to Dr. Salma Zeib, to my other colleagues, and all the subspecialties who really worked hard to keep the place going. I think as a team we can achieve a lot more, and this obviously will improve the quality of care that we have been providing to our patients. Dean Saab has rightly pointed out about the need for similar place for the surgical patients, and I think we need to work on that because these are the ideas which eventually will improve the care for all our patients. I'll not take much time. I think you have elaborated into so many things and shared data. But at the same time, thank you to HD Saab for all the support. Without Dr. Khalid's support, it would not have been possible because you need logistics, you need support, you need security, you need facility management. Without those things, the place would have been a mess. So thank you to everyone. And Jabbar Sahib, thank you. You worked really hard to sort of improve the whole things and different meetings from time to time and team building. So that was good. My support is there for all of you, not only in general medicine but any other department, because we are proud to be part of your team. The management is not separate from you guys. We are proud that your work and your hard work, in fact, makes us proud, and we can tell people that look, our doctors are working in this particular way, and we have changed things in this way. It is not there in any other hospital. It is not there in KTH. KTH has got a medical school and professors for how long? HMC is a newly built hospital, and they are doing their own stuff in their own ways, and a lot of good things are there as well. But we are proud to be working here in Leader Reading Hospital. It's a prestigious institute, and we will bring it up and up and up, inshallah. Thank you very much.